Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Video lectures, Class 1, Subject English, Final Term, Lecture number 8. Nabila Amir from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lecture are Getting ready for creative writing. आज आप creative writing करने जा रहे हैं. So get ready. Then you will write a paragraph with me. At the end, I will give you home task. So let's start today's work. Okay, let's get ready for creative writing. So let's start. For creative writing, you need something. So take out your bag, sit properly. I'm going to tell you what you are going to take out from your bag. First, take out a page or your notebook. Get it ready in front of you. Take out your pencil, your sharpener, your eraser, and lots of imagination. Imagination means thinking, सोचना शुरू कर दे. जो भी आपको टॉपिक मिलेगा आपने खुद से उसके बारे में सोचना शुरू कर देना है. So let's start with the work. Welcome to Creative Writing class. Our today's topic is my bedroom. Okay, dear students, now you know your topic. So start thinking about your topic. You see, Ali and Aisha, they have started thinking. Let's see what they are thinking. Yes, they are thinking about their topic, about their bedroom. Okay, dear students, now you are thinking which words are coming to your mind while thinking about your bedroom. Okay, first word that come to your mind must be beautiful, खूबसूरत. Big, बहुत बड़ा. Comfortable, yes, ये हम सबके माइंड में आता है जब हम अपने रूम के बारे में सोचते हैं. Comfortable means आरामदेह. Love, ये हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है अपना बेडरूम. Neat, साफ सुथरा. स्टडी टेबल, जहाँ बैठ के आप पढ़ाई करते हैं. एरी, हवादार. बुक शेल्फ, जहाँ आप अपनी बुक्स रखते हैं. So, all these words are coming to our mind when we are thinking about the bedroom. Okay, dear students, इससे पहले कि आप पैराग्राफ लिखें, I want you to remember few things. They are very important. कुछ बातें आपने याद रखनी है और गौर से सुननी है. Let's see what they are. My bedroom, we use it for my bedroom. When you are writing a paragraph and your topic is my bedroom, you will not repeat the word my bedroom again and again like this. My bedroom is very big, my bedroom is airy, my bedroom is beautiful. No, you will not repeat again and again my bedroom. It doesn't look good. इससे आपकी राइटिंग का इम्प्रेशन अच्छा नहीं होता. बार बार आप एक ही वर्ड लिखते जाएंगे. My bedroom is big, my bedroom is airy, my bedroom is beautiful. No, instead of my bedroom, again and again, you will use it. It is airy. Okay. We also use when we are writing the paragraph there is. It means मेरे रूम में है. There is a bookshelf in my room. मेरे रूम में एक bookshelf है. So remember these things. Few more things to remember before making sentences or the paragraph. We always use has with it. Has means रखता है. It has like it has a study table. ये एक study table रखता है या मेरे रूम में एक study table है. And another thing very important, remember after the full stop, the next sentence will start with capital letter and end it with the full stop. Remember, when you are writing the paragraph or making sentences. Okay, now let's write the paragraph on your topic, my bedroom, with the help of given word bank. Now this is the word bank which we have thought about our bedroom. All the words are the same which you have thought and I have thought. Beautiful, big, comfortable, love, neat, study table, airy, bookshelf. Okay, which word we should use first? I think we will start it like this by using big. My bedroom is very big. And then we will use comfortable. It is very comfortable. Now you see, we have not repeated my bedroom. We have said it is very comfortable. Now we will use bookshelf. There is a bookshelf in my room. मेरे रूम में एक bookshelf है. Study table. It also has a study table. और इसमें एक study table भी है. I love my bedroom. It is very beautiful. It is airy. I keep it neat and clean. Now you see, dear students, we have used the whole word bank. Remember it. When you are writing the paragraph in exams, try to use the whole word bank given to you. Your home task, write a paragraph on my house with the help of given word bank. Let's read the word bank with me. Big or small, बड़ा या छोटा, rooms, कमरे, garden, बाग, beautiful, खूबसूरत, keep, रखता हूँ या रखती हूँ, live, रहता हूँ या रहती हूँ. Now write the paragraph very neatly in your notebooks with the help of given word bank. Thank you, dear students. Hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.